Welcome back to another brief video. I'm Max, this is John Cleese Car Audio, and today I'm sat in a Jaguar XF where we have created a solution to give this customer Apple CarPlay working through the factory system. This video is going to be super brief and just show it working on the screen and a little look around the system. So if I spin my camera around, here we have the Jaguar XF factory screen here, which is displaying Apple CarPlay. If I press the home button, we have all normal features and functions of the Jaguar system, so you can check your climate control, navigation, which you're not going to use realistically after this. This is kind of mainly for the climate control, this side of things. To access our Apple CarPlay system, you go to audio and select portable audio. After clicking that, and I need to just go in and out of it because I was already in CarPlay, here we have Apple CarPlay on the factory screen. This will work through the factory touchscreen, which is a nice thing. I can go into my apps for music. I got WhatsApp, I got apps for DAB radio, which is how we recommend people to listen to radio after having this upgrade. So the touchscreen isn't the most responsive thing in the world. I'm maybe being a little bit too quick with it, but it's definitely functional enough, and you can't really change the radios in these cars. So this here is the best solution. You just got to be a bit slower with the touchscreen and you'll get around the system absolutely fine. This will give you Apple CarPlay. It keeps things like reverse camera working. So if I flick it into reverse, we get the factory reverse camera still working, out of reverse, back to Apple CarPlay, where we've got all our maps, our music, and all of that good stuff that Apple CarPlay brings to the table. That's pretty much it. This is a super brief video. It's Apple CarPlay on the factory system, works through factory controls for adjusting the volume up and down. That's pretty much it. This is a 2010 Jaguar XF. If you're looking for Apple CarPlay solution, feel free to give us a shout. Take care and goodbye.